Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to do the pre-market analysis or daily plan for today, 27th of March. So this is the low, of the previous weekly low, and we reached it or arrived today. We have arrived there today, and in the 13 days, holy shit. Where is my profit? 13, 13 days, what? Positive, yeah, good. Positive 13 days, volume problem. 5 days from positive volume problem, yeah. This is the split of overnight, and ERTH. It was the ERTH of yesterday. We saw a huge overnight retracement around the 75% of the range, overnight range, and then we see a rejection of levels that we had there. Here, yeah. After of it, we saw a huge expansion below it. The intraday balance low that is the same here of 5 days and 13 days balance low. Yeah, this is a balance low. I'm going to eliminate this. What balance low of these problems? Yeah, balance low. Good. Expansion below it. This is a kind of other balance. Yeah, other balance. In the 13 days composite volume problem, see this? I will not here. Yeah, but the accumulation or the groups of high volume nodes, what does it form? It forms balances areas. Yeah, balance area. And in the 5 days composite volume problem, I have this. This is a kind of a balance, yeah, because this is a low volume node area where price didn't spend so much time there. Yeah, time and volume. In this volume problem, we are referring to volume. We were not transacting a lot in these areas. Balance high, we see accumulation below it, something like an expansion, by the way, a discovery of prior balances areas, or start to consolidate and create another balance areas. Yeah. We are bearish. Yeah. In the TPO chart, we see the rejection here, accumulation around here, but open high, low, lows around maybe here. I don't know. This is the overnight session. Yeah. So this is a kind of a balance. Yeah, balance high, balance low. And these are two key levels for today or key zones. And a huge expansion below it. This will be a trendy or trend TPO problem because I only have one distribution here and maybe one here to two distributions profit. But this is a huge range. Yeah, see this huge range, huge range. But comparing them with this, for example, this is a D shape. Yeah, a balance, TPO, balancing TPO. But we started to create movements below it, below the balances, and with huge distributions. Yeah, three distributions or something like that in this TPO, and in the CPO, more of the same. Yeah, in the CPO, the same. So we could see the same scenario of yesterday with the overnight expansion, the ETH contraction or retracement to the range, overnight range, around 15% or 75% of the overnight range, with some key levels of the intraday price action or volume, or maybe the 5 and 13 days composite volume levels. Yeah. For example, here, around here, we have a balance high of the 5 days composite volume problem. Balance high, see this? High volume node, high volume node, high volume node. Yeah. So we have a balance high around this balance high 2 in the TPO chart or market profit or overnight session. Remember the previous weekly low, and today is Friday. We could see contraction or retracement today. So I would like to see a bullish movement around here, or here, and I would like to sell those levels, right? Because we are in a bearish trend with